Any of Exchequer's standard reports or any report created in Exchequer's Visual Report Writer can be exported to Microsoft Excel. On the Report Output window, select the Excel tab. Here you can choose the location and the name of the file that you're going to output. You can also automatically open Excel once the report's been completed. We also introduced the ability to copy information directly from any of Exchequer's list screens in version 2018 R1.1. There's an Excel button that's activated when the list screen's been opened, with the choice of exporting a single row, a page of information, or the ability to export the entire list.